Hello everyone, this is Going Dark here. If you like the videos that I post, please consider subscribing and liking this video. This here is a YouTube special for my 100th video that I have posted. Okay, enough about this rant. Please watch my longest video I've ever made on this channel. And now, on to the action. Bye!
First tractor up we got, this is going to be Larry Larson out of Crescent, Iowa. This will be the Bucked Up. Larry doesn't get out to the bowling world too much. I have seen him 3 times this year. He kind of tries to stay a little bit closer to home. But again, Larry Larson out of Crescent, Iowa. This is Bucked Up. They are allowed to change the timber on it. Nicole Party out of Adams, Nebraska. He is chasing the Bucked Up tractor of Larry Larson out of Crescent, Iowa. This is going to be Cole Party out of Nebraska. This is the Destructive Deer.
But to run, you have to buy a new one. It's pretty spendy. Come on, John Dunn. Go broke down here. Pull it up. There you go.
Track right now. This is the track that they call Hard Luck. Coming up, starting to build the RPMs up. This is going to be John Wagner out of Falls City, Nebraska. This is Live Action. For his second attempt again, out of Falls City, Nebraska, John Wagner. This is Live Action.
Goes.
Gonna start bringing up the RPMs, getting that boost starting to build up. International 806, Wes Neiman. Joining the record, this is always something. And that's going to be the sound of a turbocharger leaving the conversation. This is going to be Derek Gira out of Pawnee City, Nebraska. Again, the underrated 2.
Something blows up, you have to catch it on. You got a lot of video to edit.
Not really, just shorten it down.
A lot of
you can just split it and short it, and then put it together and all that crap. The good thing is, it's actually kind of therapeutic for me. Because I have ADHD, I was just like doing it.
Looks like we got green lights and green lights. Jason Hughes. Here tonight to Tammy Hunick, Lincoln, Nebraska. This is going to be the Dirt Diva.
At 3,500.
And this is going to be Jason Sweeter, and this is the demonstrator. With J.B. Holland, Centralia, Kansas, this is the Agitator Redo. But again, Leon Franklin out of Rock Valley, Iowa, this is She Said No.
She said no, Dad. Always plays no.
Andrew Lee out of Houston, Texas.
This guy can test
Rico Diesel pickup class. This one is called Juiced Up.
Smell. Beast power.
On the truck they call Hard Times. Again, out of Plattsmouth, Nebraska, next truck coming up, shooting for 305 and 44. Anything over that to take the lead with Jess Hardison. This is going to be Nathan Bridgman. This is Paying Dues.
We beat out that.
Kansas there wants to drive across Texas to Central Pole. So Cody Lee, Houston, Texas. This is the farm truck. They're getting ready to go. Again, Jimmy Deverman, Glen Kansas. This is the truck they call Chain Smoker. to 8 Envy. Cody Lee out of Houston, Texas. This is the truck they call Kong. Jason Wayne again, go to the side. We have got green lights, green flags. This is going to be Megatron.
Megatron, oh.
Wahoo, Nebraska. Vanguard Diesel. Again, want to thank them for being sponsors of the Nebraska Bush Boys.
Vanguard Diesel.
But Brian Vanguard, Wahoo, Nebraska. This is going to be Power Trip. So again, Chase Ruff out of Gretna, Nebraska. The next truck that's sitting here on this track, hooked to the sled. This is the Law Dog.
The Law Dog.
AJ Eilert, Glen Elder, Kansas, Brown Street Bullet. Handled out of Underwood, Iowa. He will be the first puller of this class. Again, 9,500 pound limited pro stocks. This is the John Deere 4620.
So I had to walk in school up. It takes long to school up.
Oh, yeah.
Well, turbo, so.
Driving right now with Lane Paulson, Toys Nebraska, life in the fast lane. This is the one Maine Farmer.
Better be. You feel the breeze now.
This is Special Edition.